back to another Heartdeco Wonders episode, and today we are speaking about assembling the 3-tier metal side table. The packaging even says extremely easy to assemble, so just stick along and watch us assemble this really quick and easy product, as well as check out this product at www.heartdeco.co.za, and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Now let's get started. So now let's see what's in the box. So the product comes with a manual, and the manual explains each tool, and each tool is numbered according to which part goes in which part. There is also a plastic bag of the screws that you'll be needing, and this is also numbered. This is number 5. These are 8 pieces of long screws, and you get your number 4, which comes with this Allen key and short screws and a little shorter screw. Put that aside. And then this is number 2. These shelves come in 2s, and this is number 3, as you can see. This is number 3, and we have the legs, and this is number 1. So this is gonna sit like this. So yeah, let us start assembling. So what we'll be doing is attaching the L-shaped shelf onto the number 1s. And one thing that you will notice as well while you're doing this is that the holes onto number 1 are not aligned, and that is done intentionally because we'll be attaching this part, the back, the L part of number 3 onto the first hole, and then the second hole, which is just a few centimeters further down, and you'll be attaching this end part of number 3. So what we'll be doing now is attaching number 5 using number 5. You can first start off with your fingers and then use the Allen key. One thing I really love about an Allen key is that it's so easy to use, and it makes the whole process very easier because it fits perfectly onto the screws. And so now we are taking number 5 again. It looks like this, and we'll be attaching the second shelf before attaching number 1 onto the left side. Then we'll have a bit of structure of our side table. how we look so far. So we'll be attaching the left part, then we attach our tabletop. Body structure, and all we have to do is just put on the tabletop as well as the tips at the bottom, and we are done. So what we'll be doing now is attaching the tabletop, which is number 2, and attaching these 4 corners onto number 1, and then we have the tabletop before moving on to attaching the balancing end of the table. So we will be attaching the number 4 short screws onto the number 1s. So in order for this whole process to be easy, we're just going to put this upside down. So you can just see what you're doing. And now we take our short number 4 screws and screw them onto number 1, onto number 2. We'll be putting on the table tips. We're just screwing them on. We don't need an Allen key. And that is it, guys. We are done. We are done assembling the 3-tire metal side table. You can use it at home, office, lounge, any place you please. And it just modernizes the place. It's industrial. It's really just a great product to have in any space, really. It's sturdy, very stable, non-slip, and yeah.